a plan before it's come and gone. Getting close to a lot, spend a lot of time. See the condition of my heart like a sonogram. Everybody knows we got to fast, but does everybody know how the time is passed? Is it sleeping all day and the night's a blast, and forgetting the reward of the month is past? I know you gonna wake up right, drinking water, maybe being pie, praying at sunrise. Fast in the day, keeping that dean tight, breaking fast with some dates, thought we are at night. Alright. It's a blessed month, doesn't mean that it's hard that you can't have fun, but strive in your heart for your Lord the one, and be blessed by Allah when the month is done.
Left, mom bust in the door like, get yourself up, you bout to miss a whore. Turkey bacon on the plate, but I'm beefing. I'm upstairs sleeping while they down here eating. Scenes like this, it makes me reminisce what it meant growing up with Ramadan as a kid. My homies buying up the corner store. Now latest quarter waters. We break it 8, but it's 3:45. They got jokes like, oh yeah, he's fasting. Something about blessings, heaven everlasting. Asking like your feds up on me. Like, dude, let me ask you for real, is you hungry? I hunger for the day when the sins on my slate be as empty as the food on my plate. And if you got jokes, man, here's a taste. Take a little fast, just grab it to the face.